Hi, everyone. I just wanted to give you some insight into ways that you can uh, have an interactive lesson with your students through Google Meet. Now, I know that some people are using Zoom, some people are using other ways of having a synchronous lesson with your kids, but I'm going to show you Google Meet. I'll show you in another video Zoom, and you can decide which ones you like best. I personally like Google Meet just because of how simple it is, and the fact that it's already integrated into the Chromebooks that the kids have. So to access Google Meet, all you have to do is go to meet.google.com, and there you are. That's all there is to it. If you are already logged in, as I'm logged in under my Tamako SD account, all you have to do is click join or start a meeting. You can give it a nickname. And there you go. You are done. You are now ready to start your meeting. Now it's starting my camera, and here I am. When the meeting is ready to start, I can click join now. You can also have your kids or someone join with a phone. If I click here, you can dial in or use a phone so that you can actually call out to a person's phone number through here. And that way, if you have a student who doesn't have a webcam, or if you don't have a microphone on your computer, you can join right in through that. Again, Google Meet can call you, or you can call Google Meet, and then there's the code for it. When you are ready to begin your session, let's look at these options here. We can have captions settings, your microphones and your video settings. When we're ready to join, we can click join now. And now you are in your meeting. And this has your meeting information here. This is you can copy this and put this in your Google Classroom, or you can put it on an announcement or whatever you want. You can do this ahead of time and then leave it running, and this will allow you to do it right away. You can copy the joining info right away and then put it in an email or something like that. My suggestion would be copying the joining information, going into your class, and in your announcement here, just pasting that in, post that in your class, and then when they go into your classroom, they are ready to click on that, or if they need to use the phone, they have the phone number there. So that's my suggestion here. I'm going to delete this. Now, a few options here. So once you have people in, you can write comments to them, to whoever's in there. You can chat. They can chat back. You can, right now, everybody has access to their microphone and their camera. So you can turn those off. If I can turn off my microphone, or I can turn off my camera. I can instruct my students to do the same. So they're just listening, or you can just have them turn off their microphone. Whoever is making the most amount of noise is going to be the person that is that their face is being shown. So if there's somebody with a dog barking in the background and they're just listening, having them turn off their mic would mean that you would be the one that people would see, not the student whose dog is barking. You also have this present button. Now this allows you to actually show your screen to your students. So if I click present now, I can present just my window, or I can do my entire screen. And let's do that here. So I'm going to click my screen here, share my screen, and now I can actually show my students what I'm doing. I can go into my classes. I can go into a drawing, and now instead of seeing my face, you're seeing my screen. Obviously, this is just recording, so you're seeing it anyway. And then when I'm done, I stop presenting, and then I'm back. So this is just a very simple tool that you and your students can use to talk to each other. Just obviously make sure that you are safe, and that that parents are aware that you are communicating with the students. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.